Good morning, Santa Clarita. I'm Connor MacIvor, your First Responder Realtor. I'm going to bring you your 7-day market snapshot. This is what's happened this past week in real estate. I do these shows daily. I'm here to give you an inside look of our market. So whether you're buying, selling, or just wanting to stay informed, you're going to know exactly where things stand. So let's get into the very beginning of it. So right now, over the past week, what I'm seeing in the Santa Clarita housing market, and this includes the cities of Castaic, Canyon Country, Newhall, Saugus, Stevenson Ranch, and also Valencia. We have coming soon listings, the five homes that are going to be coming onto the market. If you want to see those listings, go to santaclaritaopenhouses.com/coming soon. No spaces, and I'll be able to get those to you as soon as they enter the market. And you'll see those before any of the syndication websites online are able to supply those on those platforms, because you have to have them emailed directly to you from a real estate agent. So now we have new listings. We have 49 of those that hit the market this week. 74 properties have had their prices adjusted. A majority of those are lowering of their listing price. Back on market properties, 17 have actually come back onto the market and have returned to active status. For whatever reason, they've fallen out of escrow. It could have been some disagreement between the buyer and the seller, but more than likely those indicators typically are false. Usually that happens to be a result of some buyer financing issue. Maybe they went out and did something they shouldn't have while they were in escrow, causing their FICO score to get to a point where they were unable to recover. So definitely watch out for that. Active under contract properties, 32. We have 38 properties that have gone pending. 52 properties sold this last week. 7 properties expired, not selling within the contractual time frame. Typically that's 6 months, maybe, depending on the agent. I take 6-month listings myself. 6 properties canceled. We have 13 properties that have been put on hold, and 2 have been actually withdrawn from the market altogether, not selling for whatever reason. Typically it's a price point issue. Now, for your sellers out there, what do these numbers mean? With the 49 new listings, the competition is definitely heating up, but here's the kicker. 74 price changes show that many sellers are adjusting expectations to align with market realities. If you're thinking of listing, this is your cue to make sure you price strategically. Pricing too high could lead you to end up in that price adjustment category, which in some cases can lengthen your time on the market. In other cases, it's exactly what a house needs. When you change that price even up, it re-syndicates it, so it's going to start hitting all those major syndication websites again as if it was brand new on the market. And then those 17 back on market listings, that's definitely a sign that buyers could see their offers. They couldn't see their offers through, which is why it's crucial to choose an experienced agent that can vet offers thoroughly, and make sure that when you're hiring, you want to find that agent that you know to follow up with the buyer just in case there's something amiss, something not correct. Maybe they're using a lender that's not fully vetting their capability of buying real estate. You get into escrow with somebody like that, then all of a sudden, week 3, as you've already been on the market and exhausted your coming soon listing time frame, problems happen and they fall out. Now, as your agent with regard to selling, you definitely need to make sure your home stands out. When I list it, it's with impact and a realistic price based on the market snapshots. It's definitely a strategic move, especially with buyers navigating higher interest rates and inventory options. That way, when we list your property, we attract serious qualified buyers who can see the real value in your real estate. As for buyers, it's definitely a fascinating market with some prime opportunities. With 52 closed sales this last week, demand is still strong. Those price changes mean we're seeing more flexibility from sellers, which can give you leverage when making offers. And remember, those 17 back on market listings, that's a chance to swoop in on a property that has been taken off the market temporarily, potentially at a better price. Now, if you're a buyer, the current inventory gives you options. My job is to help you find value. When we encounter a property with a price adjustment, I dive into the details to see if there's room for negotiation. Further, ensuring you're not just getting a home, but also a better and more solid investment. So what's the strategic takeaway from today's market snapshot, the 7-day history in today's show? For sellers, price your home to attract offers, not to sit on the market. Homes are priced realistically in line with current trends and the way that they're moving. And with the coming soon listings, showing up what's next. It's wise to stay competitive and make any necessary repairs or upgrades before listing, but those decisions, how much money you're going to inject in your property, is going to depend on your competition level and then the price that you're going to want to secure from the sale. In some cases, in this market with the high demand, low supply, usually we want to keep any kind of changes, repairs, and definitely remodels to a minimum. But again, it's going to depend on your competition. If everybody else in your neighborhood has been selling over the past few months and they have upgraded whatever it may be, demanding higher prices, that might be something to wrap your mind around and to think about. Now, of course, for buyers, we want to watch those price changes, those back on market listings. They can be gold mines if they're approached right. And remember, the 32 active under contract properties and 38 pending sales show that when homes are well priced, they don't last long. Timing does matter, so make sure and stay ready to act when we find the one. Now, every day brings new insights, and I'm here to help you navigate them. So whether you're buying, selling, or just getting a feel for the market, stay tuned for tomorrow's snapshot. And remember, I'm Connor with Honor, your trusted first responder realtor here in Santa Clarita, bringing you the latest from SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. On that website, I publish daily content about the real estate market. I send it to those people that are on my subscriber list to give them those updates, but I have a very well-documented and well-established YouTube channel. You're more than welcome, and I post that everywhere. Just do a Google search for Connor with Honor. I'm here to help whenever you're ready. Please let me know. Until tomorrow, stay informed and stay ready. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.